Walk-in showers have become a popular upgrade for mobile homes, offering a combination of convenience, accessibility, and modern design. For homeowners in mobile, where humidity and moisture are constant factors, durability is a top concern when choosing bathroom features. A well-built and properly installed walk-in shower can provide long-lasting performance, making it a smart investment for both comfort and value. One of the main reasons walk-in showers offer strong durability is their simplified design. Unlike traditional tubs that include multiple components such as curtains, rods, and enclosures, walk-in showers are often built with fewer moving parts. This reduces the chances of wear and tear over time. With fewer elements exposed to daily use, there is less risk of damage, making walk-in showers a reliable long-term solution. Material selection plays a major role in durability. High-quality materials such as acrylic, fiberglass, and composite panels are commonly used in modern walk-in showers. These materials are designed to resist cracking, chipping, and staining, even with regular use. In mobile's humid climate, moisture resistance is especially important. Durable materials prevent water absorption, reducing the risk of mold, mildew, and structural damage. Another key factor is waterproof construction. Walk-in showers are built with sealed walls and floors that create a watertight environment. Proper waterproofing prevents water from seeping into surrounding structures, which can lead to long-term damage. In mobile homes, where space and structural integrity are especially important, this level of protection helps maintain the condition of the bathroom over time. Drainage design also contributes to durability. Walk-in showers are typically built with efficient drainage systems that allow water to flow out quickly and effectively. This prevents standing water, which can cause surface wear and increase the risk of slipping. Proper drainage also reduces moisture buildup, helping maintain a cleaner and safer environment. The absence of a high threshold or step makes walk-in showers not only accessible but also less prone to damage. Traditional tubs can experience wear along edges and seams, especially with frequent stepping in and out. Walk-in showers eliminate this issue, reducing stress on the structure and extending the lifespan of the unit. Glass enclosures, when included, are often made from tempered safety glass, which is designed to withstand impact and temperature changes. This type of glass is highly durable and resistant to breakage, making it suitable for long-term use. With proper care, glass panels can maintain their clarity and strength for many years. Proper installation is one of the most important factors in ensuring long-term durability. Even high-quality materials can fail if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that all components are properly aligned, sealed, and secured. This prevents issues such as leaks, loose fittings, and uneven surfaces that could lead to premature wear. Ventilation also plays a role in maintaining durability. In mobile's humid environment, proper airflow helps reduce moisture buildup in the bathroom. Installing or maintaining a good ventilation system prevents excess humidity, which can affect both the shower and surrounding areas. This helps extend the life of materials and keeps the space in better condition. Maintenance is relatively simple for walk-in showers, which contributes to their long-term performance. Regular cleaning helps prevent buildup of soap residue and minerals that can affect surfaces over time. Checking seals and drainage systems periodically ensures that the shower continues to function properly. With consistent care, homeowners can keep their walk-in showers looking and performing like new. Another benefit is the ability to customize features for durability. Non-slip flooring, reinforced walls, and high-quality fixtures can all be selected to enhance performance and longevity. These upgrades not only improve safety but also contribute to the overall strength of the shower system. In addition to functional benefits, walk-in showers maintain their aesthetic appeal over time. Their modern design and clean lines continue to enhance the look of the bathroom, adding value to the home. A durable, well-maintained shower can remain a standout feature for years. In conclusion, walk-in showers offer excellent long-term durability for mobile homes in mobile. With moisture-resistant materials, strong waterproofing, efficient drainage, and professional installation, they are built to withstand daily use and challenging environmental conditions. By combining smart design with proper maintenance, homeowners can enjoy a reliable, attractive, and long-lasting bathroom solution that enhances both comfort and value.